Hello, Fastnet customer service. Oh, may I help you today?
I would like to make a complaint.
May I know what the nature of the complaint is, sir?
My internet connection has not worked properly for today.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that you call you. Please tell me your client number. I need it so that I could check in there is no problem with the network in your area.
It keeps connected and disconnected, and when it is connected, the speed are very low.
Thank you. All systems saw that tree and not any issue or mentioned in your area. Have you tried to restart the router, sir?
Sure, my client number is 54334.
I understand that you are a sir. I'm just trying to complain the issue. I'm afraid that I could not tell it from here. What about you all? I did we are attention to come to you hope to check it.
Of course, is have what kind of question is this? Okay, that will work for me. Yes, my life will be home. No, thank you.
Very well, that will we've done our best to get you internet connection back to normal.